Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health. Friends, my today's video is creative, unique and highly attractive because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery, floral patterns of hand embroidery, floral motifs of hand embroidery along with the embellishment of pearls and beads to give them a more creative, unique and formal look. And wait, don't go anywhere guys, because the creativity, basic essence and the multiple and multi-dimensional usage of these very beautiful design patterns have not been discussed yet. Yes, you are getting me right. Where you can use these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. The answer to your this question is very simple and easy. That is wherever, whenever you want to, because you can design your dresses as an all-over embroidery dress, as a heavy floral motifs on sleeves, onto shirt back, onto the corners of your shirt front as well. The scope is not only limited to this. You can use these very beautiful floral patterns to design the dresses of your baby girl shirts, baby girl skirts, baby girl frocks as well. And you can also design fashionable accessories with the help of these very beautiful embroidery patterns. Yes friends, you are getting me right. Fashionable accessories. With fashionable accessories, what do we actually mean is, with fashionable accessories we actually mean that you can design your glasses covers, your mobile cases, your already in use fabric material bags, handbags, your handmade hand creative footwear, and even the creative accessories of baby girls like baby bonnets, baby hats like summer hats, and every different type of creativities as per your choices. And you can also design and decor your home based items, like you can decor your home items like tablecloth, like quilt cover, bed sheets, cushion cover, pillow covers, and many more creativities as well. So I hope that you like my today's ideas. If you really like our today's video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video, and do leave massive comments and share us what you want us to share with you in the upcoming videos, what you felt about our content. And stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting us, keep watching our content.